everybody, tooooooddayyyy here, back with another video, and today we are at South Croydon train spotting, and there is a chopper, if you can see that, and we're going to be train spotting at South Croydon today. We're going to be seeing services by Southern, Thameslink and Gatwick Express, and with any luck the freight service from Purley to Bletchley. And our first train of the day is going to be the 1507, I think. I can't read the clock from here. Wait a sec. It is the 1457.
1458 Southern service to London Bridge. Calling at East Croydon.
Okay, just want to cross over. 455809. There is a fast train coming through, which is why I've moved.
3 for the 1458 Southern service to
Here it is. 387.
South Croydon. This is
387-226 and 387-225. Numerical order. And we also have another non-stopping service. This time it's a Southern 377.
the edge of platform 2. The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station.
377-411 and 377-148 to Brighton from London Bridge, I think. And there goes the 455. Hope you enjoyed that selection. I'm going to be here for about 15 minutes, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, getting some action. There was a police incident at Wellesley Road, which is why there is another chopper. If I just zoom in, wait, can you see that little blip? That's the police chopper. And that's at Wellesley Road, because there was a police incident there. Don't know why, but there was a police incident. And yeah, that's why there's a chopper just hanging about. And there was a couple of police vans at East Croydon too. So yeah. And I shall get you guys back when the next train of the day turns up. Okay guys, and the next train to turn up is going to be some Southern 377s coming through. 472 there. Over there was 377-416. Couldn't tell what was at the middle or the rear. Here we have another double pairing. 377-146. Sorry, single pairing. That's off to London Bridge from, I believe that service was from Horsham or Gatwick Airport maybe. But yeah, 3 fast services. Good. And all Southern. So yeah, we shall get you up again. Get you up, that just sounds wrong. I shall re-record this, not re-record out, unpause the recording when the next train turns up or if something happens. So, I shall see you in a bit. Okay guys, the next train to turn up is going to be some Gatwick Express 387s coming into platform 2. So yeah, hopefully we'll get a horn. We haven't got any horns so far, so yeah, we shall get it.
The train is not scheduled to stop at this station.
in, wait for the driver, thank you very much. And we also have a 455 coming in to Caterham, I believe. No, yeah, Caterham. 445837. And it is in fact bound for Tottenham Corner. Tottenham Corner services don't normally call at this station, they normally pass through platform 4. But this time it's calling for it. So yeah, I shall because it's Tottenham Corner. No, it was to Caterham. And we have another fast service turning up. I just want to see what train it is. I think it's going to be a Thameslink train, because we haven't got one yet. No, more southern services. Okay, more southern. Okay, so get ready. I think it's a double pairing, or maybe a triple pairing, or maybe it's signal. I don't know. So yeah, just wait a couple of clicks. A couple more clicks and then it'll be here. Here we go. .42 and 377 210 off to London Victoria. Oh, I think that came from Brighton, or no, Horsham. Yeah, Horsham. Oh, don't know what that smell is, but I can smell it. I think it's like mouldy cheese. And the next train to turn up is going to be a passing service to East Grinstead, I believe, because I can see a pair of. So I can see some 377s coming in, and I don't think they're stopping, because East Grinstead services normally just pass through, but this time they might be stopping. So I shall see when the train gets closer. So just keep a few more clicks. Yeah, it's not stopping, and it's going to platform 4. So I think this service is bound for Gatwick Airport. So, or Ridley, or Reigate maybe. Yeah, Reigate. And I shall see you when the train gets a bit closer. Actually, no, I'll keep it going. Doesn't make any sense to pause it. Doesn't make any sense at all. The train has got a single yellow signal. So, and the route indicator isn't on. It's not showing the route indicator, so it's bound for Reigate, I believe. Let's have a look. It doesn't even say, it just says the website. .37745. That's not in service because it doesn't show the destination. I believe that's going to be terminating at Purley, and then we might see it later, possibly. But yeah, the next service to turn up is the next stopping service will be to Tottenham Corner. London Victoria. And yeah, we shall see you when the next train turns up. So just stay there, guys, and then I will catch you later. So wait there. Okay, the next train to turn up is going to be a double pairing of Southern 377s. .377-459 and .377-44. Didn't show the destination again. It was just blank, so I couldn't get out the destination for you. So yeah, good pass. Still no Thameslink services. So I know they are running because I saw one at East Croydon. Because I pretty much have to get everywhere from East Croydon. Or West Croydon sometimes, but anyway, good pass, and I shall catch you when the next train turns up. Okay, we've got 3 trains turning up. We've got a non-stopping service on platform 5, a non-stopping service on platform 1, and our first Thameslink train of the day on platform 2. So I'm going to keep it facing this way for now. Let's get a horn, shall we? And then we have the 455 here, 455 844. It's going to Tottenham Corner, non-stopping. And we still have that platform 1 train. Here it comes, here it comes. I think it's Southern, yep.
Stand well away.
377-622 and 377-610, bound for London Victoria. And we have another one. I swear I heard another stand well away announcement. I swear I heard one. Okay, the next train to turn up is going to be a non-stopping Southern double pairing of 377s from Oxted to London Victoria. There are no trains from Uckfield and East Grinstead to Oxted, so all trains are terminating there. And it's actually bound for London Victoria. 377-114. Wait from the driver, thank you very much. It's just travelling at low speed, that's all. If it was stopping there would be a very high gap. My gosh. And we also have a non-stopping service on platform 2, more Southern, and on platform 1, platform 2 first. And 377-453. Let's see what our platform 1 train is. Okay, we've got a train approaching on platform 3, and our platform 1. Oh my god. Second Thameslink train of the day on platform 5.
15, Southern service to London Victoria.
Okay, we've got 3 trains turning up. Thameslink, Southern, and Gatwick Express. I literally got 3 trains, 3 TOCs. That's epic. That's epic. To view. to Victoria, and 455-832 to Victoria, and 700. This is bound for 3 bridges. 3 bridges services run on the slow line because they call them Merstham. 700-101. Awesome. 3 trains, 3 TOCs, just how I like it. I got everything, and I think that is a great way. Wait a sec. Oh, another one. More GA. And 387-203, bound for Brighton. And that is an even better way to end the video. So thank you very much for watching. It is greatly appreciated. As ever, if you have any more stations you would like me to go to, then please do let me know in the comments below. Oh, that was the doors closing. I thought that was another train. And to end it off, we have 455-832.
Stand well away from the edge of platform 2.
Are you serious? Again? This is just like this is train mania. That's all it is. Train mania.
Please stand clear from the train at platform 3. The train is ready to leave.
Oh no, I think the announcements were delayed. Yeah, that was for the Gatwick Express train, because the Stanwell announcement didn't happen until just then. So yeah guys, I shall see you in the next video. So, I shall see you then. And to end it off, we have a double pairing of 377s to East Grinstead. Three 77163 and 151, the stalker. It literally keeps stalking me. And to end it off even more, we have more southern services. This is train mania. This is all it is. This has got to be the real end. And 377155. So thank you very much for watching this excellent video. If you did enjoy it, then please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And I shall see you guys in the next video. But until then, goodbye. And my next station is going to be from Purley Oaks. And I shall see you all then next week. So I shall see you then. Goodbye.